subscribe to our channel.
10 foods that prolong lifespans. 1. Dairy products and fish. This food contains vitamin D and calcium, which help prevent a disease called osteoporosis, which happens after age 30 because of a loss in bone mass, which causes fractures and different injuries that affect your health. 2. White meat. Turkey, chicken, and fish contain 25% less calories than red meat. These foods are a huge help in reducing fat consumption and taking care of your health at the same time. Their high contents of zinc and iron boost the action of red blood cells. Also, it has been proven that their consumption is a huge help in strengthening and protecting the nervous system. 3. Red fruits. Red fruits contain antioxidant properties that prevent urinary infections. They also possess vitamin C and flavonoids, which protect your body and prevent cardiac diseases. 4. Avocado. Its high content of vitamins help prevent a lot of diseases that occur at adult age in general. Thanks to that, this increases the probabilities of prolonging the life and vitality of the body in order to get better health. Avocados contain vitamins A, B1, B2, B3, B6, D, and potassium, which helps control blood pressure and cardiac rhythm, which prevents heart attacks and any cardiac disease. 5. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the vegetables that helps fight diseases the most. It contains vitamins A and C, which increase and strengthen the immune system. Its properties and consumption help in cancer prevention and heart diseases. It is also a good detoxifier and helps cleanse the body. 6. Oregano. Specialized studies have shown that oregano contains an active ingredient that prevents tissue and joint inflammation. It also activates by avoiding bone degeneration and strengthens this system. 7. Garlic. Eating a garlic clove a day, preferably raw, protects your body against cancer and cardiac disease. Consuming at least 1 week reduces the risk of contracting colon cancer. In addition to that, it is a food with a lot of benefits to detoxify the body and fight a lot of diseases. 8. Walnuts and dried fruits. Walnuts and dried fruits are some of the most recommended foods for caring for your health. Their high amounts of minerals like potassium, magnesium, zinc, and selenium make them very healthy, with a lot of benefits for your body. A study showed that eating 5 walnuts 5 days a week improves the functioning of your heart and prevents diseases like Alzheimer's, depression, and multiple sclerosis. 9. Honey. This food is one of the most well-known and used foods in the world for both its properties for skin and hair care, like taking care of your body in general. Use honey as an alternative for other sugars and sweetener. It helps strengthen your heart, mend bones, fight blood impurities, and it is also said that it increases longevity because it rejuvenates the female reproductive system. 10. Wheat germ. Wheat germ is a great source of vitamin E, vitamin B complex, and iron. Its consumption is highly recommended for healthcare in every sense, and it has been proven that it prevents atherosclerosis. According to medical studies, eating this food every day, along with a good diet and exercise, can add up to 5 years to your life. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.